Hey guys, welcome in my kitchen. Today we are going to do brownies. Okay guys, for do brownies we need 250 grams of chocolate. I use chocolate Easter eggs. 250 grams of butter, 2 spoons of flour, 2 spoons of cocoa powder, and 250 grams of sugar, and 2 bowls. So first I go to melt chocolate and butter. Okay, and now we wait. Now I beat eggs with sugar. Now I mix some sugar. Okay, should look like this. Then it comes to the flour part. Mix all. And should look like this. And now I do the same thing with the cocoa powder. And now mix. Oops, I've done a disaster. So now I take a pinch of salt and put this in my chocolate. Now let's mix everything. Okay. Okay guys, now I take a cake pan and parchment paper and I put the parchment paper in. And now I put hole in the cake pan.
You fall, if you need a hand to.
And now I put all in the oven. Now I bake this for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. And we meet for the test. This is the result, and now let's try it. Very good. Bye.